What's up, y'all? So this is behind the scenes of the adult field day. For everybody who's wondering, today is going to be the last adult field day that we do have in a while, because I am going to be moving. I have another job, so I'm not really going to be doing this on the weekends because I'm not going to have any time, for real, like no time at all. But with that being said, it's gonna be okay. Like, I'm not gonna have no time to. Let me see if this might work. Y'all, I got this the other day, thinking that I'm gonna be able to utilize it. Can't even.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Hello.
Pairing.
Hello. Oh. Let me stop that. Anyways, I got a couple things, and I think the worst part is not being appreciated. People not appreciating you for your efforts, your time. Like, I'm the first one to come. I'm the first one to be here every single time I do this, and I'm the last one to leave because it was my plan to actually do something like this. So, it's a lot of hard work, a lot of goddamn money, got a lot of goddamn energy, and I'm still waiting on Ro to come so that we can set up and stuff like that. I am grateful to have a goddamn person to do this shit with, because I've always thought about doing this, but I never really had never really had like a good like team player who was down to do something so how would I say, so odd, especially for me because I'm a girl. So it's like, me doing stuff like this, people are like so hesitant to actually like believe that it was my ideal, to believe that it was a plan that I really wanted to do. They're hesitant to believe that it was something that I wanted to do because I'm a girl. And not only am I a girl, but I'm a beautiful girl. Not only am I a beautiful girl, but I'm just like, I'm not something that people expect to be doing something like so different, And I don't know, I love football. I love sports in general. So for people to be thinking that this would not be something that I desire, it's kind of crazy. Because the only way you would figure out like this is something that I want to do is if you have like an actual friendship or relationship with me to actually kind of see what type of person I am. And a lot of people don't even know me because I don't be talking like that, because my conversation is not like everybody else's. I'm not a big person who want to gossip. I'm not a big person who wants to talk about useless things. Like, I know I'm on borrowed time, so my timing does matter, and I don't want to waste hours of my breath talking about things that are so irrelevant. It doesn't have any significance, and it's not going to make me no money. Like, I don't want to talk about stupid stuff. And I really don't want to talk to crash dummies. I don't want to talk to people who don't have any morals. I don't desire to do that. It doesn't make me happy. It makes me angry, because it's like, why are you being a crash dummy right now? But today is the day. I'm super duper excited today. I am kind of frustrated a little bit. Hopefully everything goes as planned, everything goes well, because I am a little bit frustrated. I am a little bit like it's not as urgent as it was the first two times. Like, the first two times I was super duper excited, but like now there is no sense of urgency to please anybody or do anything anymore. Like, and it's not because I don't want to do it, it's because I just feel like the lack of appreciation for me in particular is kind of irritating. Okay, the lack of appreciation for me is I don't show, people don't show appreciation. Like, what the fuck, they want to, bro, he's a cool guy. That's my homeboy. He a cool guy, which is why I didn't have a problem doing this with him. I didn't have a problem like planning this with him, because he's a cool guy. His character is amazing. But when it comes to me, like, don't nobody really know me like that. And everybody just be like, thank you. They say thank you to him, but ain't nobody saying no thank you to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting all the money down. You feel what I'm saying? I'm putting the money down. I'm putting the effort down. Like, I'm doing all the behind the scenes work. I'm thinking of the ideals. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing the flyers. Y'all don't even understand. Like, this shit is what I do. This is what I do. But honestly, it's causing me too much. And I love doing stuff like this. Like, of course, like, I don't want to say I can't wait to have kids, but when I do have kids, they're going to have a fucking amazing lifestyle, because this is shit that I like to do. But I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta move forward. And I think it's that time for me just to move forward and to go to the next level. Will I stop doing these? I mean, will I ever do it again? Absolutely. I have people numbers and stuff, and I could probably hit more people up. Maybe if y'all want to do it in the future, we can definitely do this. But like for now, I'm just not, what's the word? Right now, I can't do it. Like, I literally can't do it. If I could make time for it, I definitely would make time for it, but I can't make time for it. And for people who don't know me, like, I'm very ambitious. I'm very goal-driven. I've always been a leader my whole entire life. I've never been the type of person to follow a crowd. I've never been somebody who followed the group. I've never been that girl, because I know how special I am. I know how great I am. I know how amazing I am. I know that I'm going to be successful. It's just a matter of time, which is why time is so important, because it's a matter of time that you're gonna, you know, it's a matter of time. You know what I'm saying? I know that I'm going to succeed. I know that I'm going to be wealthy. I know that, you know, every single stage in my life that I'm going through is just building me up for what I'm going to do in the future. So like, even me doing like adult field days, this is just planning. This is helping me understand how to socialize with people a little bit better, how to communicate a little bit better, how to be attentive a little bit better, how to cater to people's needs and cater to people's wants a little bit better. And this has always been something that I wanted to do. It's always been something that I've been about. Even when I was in kindergarten, I've always been a leader. Even when I was in the first grade, I've always been a leader. Me being a leader does not change. And for a lot of people, they think that they know me by appearance or know me by certain things. Nobody knows me. I've always said this. Nobody knows Jahia. Nobody knows who I am. Nobody knows me, because I change on a daily basis. I might have told you something 3 months ago. That's not who I am now. Okay? My mind changes so fast. And I'm not indecisive, but I do change a lot, because life is ever changing. Like, every single new setting that I step in, new people that I meet, new circumstances that I may come across, I would definitely change my perspective. So for the people who think that they know me from like childhood, and the people who think that they know me from work or whatever the case is, I'm here to tell you, who I was ain't the same person as who I am today. Okay, that's two different people, bro. Like, don't sit over here thinking that you know somebody by the book, by a cover, because you don't. I'm very complex, I'm very fun, but I am very serious. And I'm serious about one thing only, is my money. I'm serious about my money. I'm serious about wealth, generational wealth. Okay, that's what I'm serious about. To me, it doesn't matter how you get there. Absolutely, it does matter how you get there. As long as you're not degrading yourself or going against your morals or yourself, you should be fine. You know, everybody's journey is different. Some people take longer to get to destinations. Some people have shorter times. But regardless, nobody should be jealous of nobody, because everybody has a peak season. So when you think about how everybody has a peak season, you just gotta put in the work. So when your time comes, you're not worried about nothing, bro. Like, you're just like, okay, I worked for this. This is mine. I worked for this. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all. We about to have a good ass time. It starts at 2 o'clock. And it is around 6:30. We're gonna try to prolong it to like 7 o'clock maybe. Just to get a little bit of more time in. But once shit start rolling, shit start flowing. But yeah, we waiting on Ro to get here so we can put everything up together, and then we gonna record everything so y'all can see the whole process and y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go.